Hey there, welcome back to another awesome tutorial. Today, we're going to walk you through creating an amazing website from scratch using just HTML and CSS. Whether it's for your business, personal use, or anything else, this tutorial is beginner-friendly and easy to follow. Download the images from the link in the description below. Let's dive right in. We will go by creating a new folder. Right-click on the mouse and choose New, after that, Folder. Give it a name. I will name mine TT Fast Food. Open your Visual Studio and select File. Choose New Text File. Click on Select a language. Type HTML and press Enter. Type HTML using a smaller case and choose HTML5. Use the shortcut key, Ctrl+S, and save it in the folder we created. Change the file name to index.html and save. Back to the Visual Studio, select File. Choose New Text File. Click on Select a language and type CSS. Use the shortcut key, Ctrl+S, to save. Give it a file name, style.css. Type link in the head tag and choose link CSS. Type link and choose link favicon. We will import the img folder from download to the folder we created. These are the images we are going to use. Change the ref text to img-favicon.png. Click F5 to run the code. Here is the favicon. Change the text document in between our title tag to TT Fast Food. Refresh the page. As you can see, the name has changed to the text we typed in our title tag. In our body tag, type div background image and press the Enter key. Type img in between the div and press Enter. Type img c202 in the src. Run the code. Here is the image we will be using as our background image. Now in our CSS, we will type margin 0 and padding 0. Let's call our body tag and change the brightness of the image. Let's run the code and see. As you can see, the brightness has been reduced. We will call the body and the img tag and set the width to 100% and height to 100px. Run the code. The width and height have been set to what we typed. We will give it a logo. So in our index.html, we will call the img tag and type img logo.png. Run the code. Here is our logo image. We will give our logo an ID as logo for us to be able to set the width, height, and position. Let's call the logo in the CSS. Set the width to 202px, height 202px, top 40px, left 10px, position absolute, filter brightness to 1.1, and cursor pointer. Let's run the code. Here's the height and width we set. In index.html, type div navlist and press enter. Press A and press enter. Press hashtag in the ref double quote. Type home and copy the A tag and paste it 5 times. Set the second text to menu. Change the next text to catering. Fourth text to about US. Fifth to contact. And sixth to gallery. Let's run the code. Here is the NAV list. Let's do some changes to our NAV list. Copy and paste the NAV list into our CSS. Set position as absolute. 245px. Left 50%. Transform translates to 10%. Without a class or an ID, we will call our navlist by typing navlist. Set display as inline block. Margin 010px. Font family MS sans serif. Text decoration none. Font size 18px. Font weight bold. Color white. Let's run the code. This is what we got. Let's make the color of the text change when the mouse is on it. We will call the navlist and add hover. Let's type the color as hashtag FF6931 inch. Let's run the code. Now you can see, when the mouse is on the text, the color changes. Now, in index.html, create a p tag for your welcoming message.
Let's run the code.
Here's the Welcome to TT Fast Food. Give the Welcome to TT Fast Food p tag an ID and name it Welcome.
And call it in our style. Let text align be center. Font size as 23 px. Font family Montserrat semi-bold. Margin top 550 px. Color white. Run the code. And we can see there is a difference now. Break the line in our index. Tnum and create a new p tag. Type in lorem30 and press enter. Run the code. Change the appearance of the text by giving the lorem30 p tag an ID as lorem. Call the ID in the style. Set font size as 20 px. Color white. Font family Lilawa DUI. And text align center. Run the code. We need to make the text be on the same column. Break the lorem line and check if that's where we want to break up to. Break this line too. Now let's check if that's okay. We will continue breaking the line. If the line break is not okay for you, you can break it up to the point you prefer. Type form and press Enter. Replace the action with a class Now placeholder will be search and have an ID as search. Type button, select button, submit, and give it a class as submit. After that, type submit. Run the code. And here is the search bar. We will call the search bar in our style. Seize and design it. Search bar. Margin left 640 px. Call the search ID. Search. Width 290 px. Height 30 px. Border radius 5 px. We will also call our submit class. Submit. Height 40 px. Width 70 px. Margin left 100 px. Cursor pointer. Background color F6931. Border radius 10 px. Border 2 px solid white. Run the code. Break the submit for it to be under the search. Run the code and check if it's okay. It's okay for me. We are going to make the background color of the submit change when the mouse is on it. Submit, hover. Background color white. Border 2 px solid F6931. After running the code, you can see the background color and the border color changes when the mouse is on it. Type brr after the closing tag of form. Div, order, enter. P, enter. Run the code. Here's the text. Give the order an ID as now. In our style. Seize, call the order class. Give it a border as 2 px solid F6931, width 150 px, height 50 px, margin left 700 px. Cursor pointer. Background color white. Border radius 10 px. Run the code. The background color didn't appear because of the image. Let's go back to our code and give it an opacity as 0.9. Run the code. Now you can see our background color and color of the border have appeared. We will edit the text. Now, font size 20 px. Font family Mingliu HKSCC SXDB. Padding top 10 px. Text align center. Run the code. Now the text is okay. Change the background color and the color of the border when the mouse is on it. Order. Hover. Background color F6931. Border 2 px solid white. Run the code. As you can see, the color changes when the mouse is on it. Everything looks perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.